Hey everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this month's Boxycharm. If you'd like to see what I got and how I created this look using the products in the box, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into this box. So I have everything on my face besides eyeshadow. I took a quick peek at this box, so I kind of knew what to have on my face already. But let's get into the first thing. The first thing I see is the Ace Beauté Grandiose palette. This was something that everyone got, and this is retails for $24.99. And I didn't mention that this month's theme is Gold Digger, so I expect to see a lot of shimmer and shine. Okay, so this is actually beautiful. You see those colors? Gorgeous, right? I'm really digging a lot of these, and we're gonna try them out and see how they work. And along with the eyeshadow palette came a set of brushes from Luxie. This is the Luminous Eye Set, and this retails for $21. Now this is super awesome because I love when they give us not only an eyeshadow palette but brushes to use with it. And these are gorgeous because typically Luxie has pink handles, which are stunning just to begin with, but these are, as the box would denote, is that they are beautiful and shimmery and gold. So I'm going to, these are very fine detailed brushes, but I'm going to use these to create our look. So let's go with that with these two before we get into what else there is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Patchouli, which is this kind of nude color, and kind of use this, the Luxie 121 mini tapered, and kind of put that just all over my eye just to start a neutral base. I'm using my finger down here if you're wondering what I'm looking at. Okay. Now these are really small, very detailed, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, and next I'm gonna take Clove right here and go ahead and put that in my crease. Okay, so I actually had to go get a brush of my own because although they said you can use it for your transition color, it's just too, wrong color. It's just too small to get that blown out look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M504 and really blow out that color. This makes it a lot more effortless. Okay, so I just kind of use that in my crease, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take Cinnamon right here and really concentrate that with that smaller brush right below where I put that transition color. And I think this will work a little bit better. All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take, dropping brushes here and there, the Luxie Mini Angled, and put it in the color Poppy right here, and really put that in that outer corner. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the color, I think I'm gonna take the color Primrose and put that in the inner like third of my eye. I'm gonna try using this brush, and then I'm gonna go in with this smudge brush and go ahead and take Cinnamon, which is that kind of deeper color that I put second in my eye, and go. Okay, so this is the look I created. Now it is an okay look. I think the eyeshadows are actually pretty nice, but I also then feel like, I don't know, like the brushes were great detail brushes, but I feel like with my collection of brushes I can get a better look. I can see a place and a time for these, but these are really geared towards more of like detail in the eye, and would be harder to use for like an everyday makeup look, like for me who's not like a makeup pro. But I think they're great brushes and I think they work well, but I think for a more like everyday eye or things that I would typically do as a non-makeup artist, that I have other brushes that would work a little bit better. Okay, next up is the Color FX glitter drops in the color Nova. So I have not tried any of these. So you can use them alone, underneath makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer. But I thought I'd just I'm gonna try them as a highlighter, just a little bit, just to kind of see. It's pretty. It's really pretty. It's a lot less glittery than I thought. So I'm just gonna apply just a ooh. So I stuck it on like right here, as you can kind of see. Now, if you are not into glitter and shimmer and shine, this might not be a way to wear it for you, like alone, but it could be really pretty on like your collarbone or your shoulders, or mixing it in with a foundation, or just putting it in your high points underneath your foundation. I think that could be really pretty, and a way to use it that's a little bit subtler, because I don't think I would wear this highlight out for an everyday kind of look. But I can see how you can use these. They're beautiful because they blend out so well. I was really afraid when I put it on my cheek, but they blend out really well, and they're really easy to work with. So that's awesome, and that retails for $44. Now the last two things are not makeup related, which is, you know, so-so. You get the Farrah brushes dual-ended tweezers. Now I'm pretty sure this is the second set of tweezers I've received in my Boxycharm. I think I received a blue pair that was also double-ended, so I wasn't that excited. These retail for $12. They're fine, but I think I even threw the blue ones away because I think I like my Tweezerman's ones a lot better, but I guess they could be good for travel. But again, I'd like to see more makeup products. And then lastly, we received the Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. Again, not a makeup item, but you know, hey, let's try it out. So I'm taking, I just have some wipes right here. I'm just taking the brush cleaner. This retails for $12. And I'm just gonna spray it on this brush. Ooh. Took a little bit for it to spray off. So I sprayed it off. I'm gonna rub it around my, I'm just using my hand because that is a makeup wipe, so I didn't want to. Doesn't smell. Here's the brush. I don't know if you can tell, but it's still definitely pink. So, is it the best brush cleaner? Not so much. Do I have better ones? Yes. Could I get some use out of it? Definitely. Definitely for, it'd be a better use of getting not something like a bright pink off of it, where then you're going to use it in like a brown color. But like sometimes we want to get it off and use a similar shade. It could be used for that. But from what I can tell, it's not going to be something that really cleans it really well like the Cinema Secrets. But hey, it's nice to have in your drawer if you don't have anything like that and you need a quick brush clean. So overall, I thought this month box was so-so. I really liked the eyeshadow palette and the Cover FX drops. I think the brushes are great detail brushes. But I'm looking forward to next month also. Next month I will be getting the Boxycharm Luxe. So get excited for that. I'm excited for my first ever Boxycharm Luxe. I'm excited to see what I get. From what I've already seen, it looks really good. If you're interested in Boxycharm, I'll leave all the information down below. And if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.